All right, we back again. And I want you all to look at this. I mean, this is on another street. So this damage on this street is something serious. My God. Look at the damage. Look at the damage on this street. Now, I was on Sardis Road. This is a whole nother street. And I want y'all to look. I talked to the homeowner. He gave me permission to go in his yard to record. So I want you all to look at this. Look at this. This tornado came through here with power. Do you hear me? Look at this. Look at the house. Can you imagine living in a house and a tornado coming? Just look at this. So was you at home when it happened?
No, I was at deer camp. My daughters was in here, that bedroom right there.
Uh-huh.
My daughter and a 2-year-old
Really?
was in there, and we called them right before it hit.
Mm-hmm.
And told them they need to get their ass out of here. And they left, and right whenever they left, it hit.
That is crazy.
And they were in there asleep. My other daughter had to wake them up.
Really? Look at this. This is a camper, and I want you to look at this camper. Just look. You said his daughter was in this room. His daughter was in this room when this tornado hit. He called his daughter and told his daughter to get up and get out and go somewhere. And just look what would have happened if that child stayed in his room. Look at the camper. Just look at the camper. I mean, look at this. And this, you think this is something, wait until I walk further down the road. I got something else to show you. This tornado come through here with power. Just look. It picked up a whole camper, do you hear me? And destroyed it. Look at the backside of this house. Do you see this? Deer stand knocked down. Look. I mean, look at this. This is, wow. I mean, what can you say? I mean, this tornado come through here with power. So I'm going to walk further down, and I want you to see. I'm going to walk further down. So you have people out here, they're cutting some of these trees and stuff down because it knocked power down. They do not have power through here at all. Just look. Just look at this. And so you have a gentleman here. He's actually cutting some of the limbs. But just look. But I'm going to show you. And I'm going to walk further down. And when I walk down here, you're going to look at this other house. Yep, you're going to look at this other house when I show you. How you doing, sweetie? You doing all right? That's good. But I'm finna walk down. This house here, roof, listen to me. This house roof is completely gone. When I say completely, gone. This was a direct hit on this house. So look, you still have power lines. Look at this. power lines on down. This house has a direct hit. Just look at this house. The whole roof is gone. The whole entire roof. This house is being destroyed. This tornado come through here with power. Look at this. See the power lines? Power lines. Look at the trees. Tree limbs. Look at this house. This house is completely destroyed. I mean, the whole roof is gone. Look. The whole roof is gone on this house. The whole entire roof is gone. Look at that. I mean, look at this big tree. Just look at the root on that tree. You see how big that is? It uprooted this. I mean, this thing come through here with power. There's another house back here that has been destroyed. They put a tarp on their house. But this house has been destroyed too as well. Yeah, I know, right? A drone would definitely be worth it right about now. But man, just look though. I mean, just look at this. This is crazy. I mean, the whole roof of this house has to have been a direct hit on this house. Now, the other houses were destroyed bad, but this is the worst one of all of them. Yeah, it was rated EF2. But I think this was a direct hit on this house because the whole entire roof is gone. Look at the trees. All the trees in this yard has been uprooted. So, yeah, this is terrible. And look at the power lines. Yep, it was rated EF2. But I just wanted to show y'all this because I can actually walk a little further, but I'm not going to walk that much further down. I just wanted to show y'all some of the stuff that was hit during this tornado. This is the aftermath of an EF2 tornado that hit on Sardis Road and Pruitt Road.